Hi everyone, welcome to Vagaro University. Today, I'll show you how to set up employee time cards. Hourly employees can clock in and out to be paid based on the hours worked. If you have employees that work varying shifts and are paid by the hour they work, this could easily be tracked within Vagaro. Let me show you how it works. First, before employees begin clocking into a shift, we need to make sure we have our hourly employees set up within the software. By navigating to Reports, select All Reports, and on the left side panel, we'll find the Employees section. Then we'll select Payroll Configuration. From here, you can set up how, when, and what you'd like to include when you pay your employees. Scrolling down, we want to make sure that we set up our hourly employees. Configure the different roles an employee will be working and the different pay rates they will be paid based on their roles. If you'd like your employees to use physical cards to clock in and out of their scheduled shifts, you can purchase these by going to the shopping cart icon at the top and locating Employee Time Cards. If you've purchased employee key cards, you're able to add the barcode number and associate a physical employee ID card to each hourly employee. Now that we have our hourly employee set up, let's learn how to clock them into their shift. On a computer, when an employee wants to clock in for their shift, they will select the clock icon. There are two different ways an employee can clock in for their shift. They can use their employee ID card and slide it through a computer card reader, or scan the back of the employee ID card with our QR scanner. If you do not have an employee ID card, your employees can also use their QR code from the Vagaro Pro app to scan on the QR scanner. On the Vagaro Pro app, from the bottom navigation, select More. At the top of the screen, click on your profile, and you'll see the QR code that's needed to clock in. Alternatively, if you'd like to manually clock in your employees, head to Reports, Employees, and Time Card. From here, select the New Entry button and enter in the associated information and select Save. On this same time card report, you can look into the Edit Specific Time entries by filtering from a specific time frame, employee, the role associated to the employee, specific business locations, if you'd like to look at missing time entries, and/or include past employees into your report to review. Run the report to see any information about hourly employees that clocked in and out of their scheduled shifts. For more helpful tips and tricks, click the Vagaro University link in the description below.